Hey there, this is John Roney, and welcome to this video. This is Global Resorts Business Network video number 2. It's called Time-Saving Software Tools, and I did call it Time-Saving Tools, but it's really just software, a couple softwares. It's going to be a real quick video, so let me dive right in. This is my wife Sarah and I, and here we go. Okay, number 1 is Gmail. Now, Gmail, you say, well, Gmail is a simple software, and it is. It's just an email provider. But one of the things that I realized that a lot of people don't know about it is that you can import multiple email addresses into Gmail. Like I've got, for example, almost 10 email addresses for different websites, projects, people I've worked with, things like that. And but I import them all into Gmail, and I can send the email from there and everything. So all the email communications consolidated into one place, and that's a big time saver. So I don't have to log into different accounts. So just wanted to make sure, and it does the cascading emails thing, so they're always on top of each other. And the search feature is great. So even if you have more than 20,000 emails, then you can still search through them pretty well if you remember the keywords that would be in the particular email you're looking for. So anyway, I thought I would list that there. Number 2 is software by this website here, this company, 37signals.com. And they're really good. I'm going to switch over to their website here. Alright, this is 37, well, let me go back. 37signals.com. It's simply a software company. They sell, and they also give away free versions of their software too. Free for the basic. More advanced is paid, things like that. They have 4 of them: Basecamp, Highrise, Backpack, Campfire, and really the only one of these 4 I use. You can see that these are for organizing information for your business, track your leads, contacts, deals, things like that, kind of like a CRM. And then Basecamp is the only one I use out here. I'll click on it real quick to show you. It's a project management software. You can see plans and pricing here. You can get a free one, or they also have these, and they have a $12 account too. That's the one I use, actually, not even the ones that are listed here. But anyway, you can check those out. I wouldn't recommend these unless you've got a big company and do a lot of projects. But anyway, I'm going to switch over to my account and show you real quick. This is a project that we're in right now and looking at, and you can simply create to-do list. And then you've got a to-do list, and you can enter an item, and it's right there. And this will be item 2, and you can just add those things really easily. And then when you're done, you can assign them to people if you want, and so forth, and put a due date of Thursday. I want to have it due on Thursday, and then you can certainly item 3, and there, and it shows up as this. And you can assign them to people, and it'll email them, and cool stuff like that, like a project management software. Just click on them to make them disappear, and they come right down here, so you can delete them after all. So you can still see the items, but you can check them off of your to-do list. And you can also do messaging with other people. You can create an overview for the project. Use all these different things, upload files to share with people, that kind of fun stuff. So I wanted to show you that real quick. The second software I use from 37 Signals is called Tadalist. And right here, Tadalist.com. I'll switch to the PowerPoint here, so you can see it. There's Basecamp, that's what I use, and Tadalist. And let me switch back so I can show you. Tadalist is a very simple. It looks just like this. You can add to-dos and things like that, but it's totally free. You can just log in, and you can, just like the example here, you put in your to-dos, you check them off, they disappear down below, like you saw in the other one. And like here's an example. Here's a to-do list. And you can create multiple to-do lists in the same account, so it's pretty cool. So I've got build a business. Let's say we do that. Great, check it off. Build a nonprofit organization. Great, check it off. So you can see it's still down here. And retire and travel. We haven't done that yet, so we'll leave it open. But you see here, it doesn't have the the due date, the ability to assign it to anyone else. This is just like a personal to-do list. So you might want to check that out. And go over here to the 37 Signals again, and I'll show you a couple things. If you're into kind of business efficiency, getting things done, project management, things like that, or just how to build a company, there are some really cool things about 37 Signals. Like you go up here to About, and they write a whole bunch of little tips and useful tidbits on how to build a company. They've been in business here for 10 years, they say, and there's a book in here. Yeah, here it is. It's a book called Getting Real. It's free if you want to read it online, and it's kind of all about how to get things done and how to get the right things done from a company point of view. So I've read through some of this, not all of it, but yeah. Let's see. Getting Real process to launch 5 successful web-based applications: Basecamp, Campfire, Backpack, Whiteboard, Todoist, and Ruby on Rails, which is a programming language, which a lot of people use, in just 2 years with no funding, no debt, and only 7 people. So that's their company. 2 years, no funding, no debt, and 7 people, and they've accomplished all of those software programs. So they're really good at efficiency and things like that. And I just thought I'd share these little tips on you, some time-saving software tools. I've got a bunch of other things that I use, but I'll put those into other videos. If you want to contact us, you have any questions, you can go to johnroney.com. I don't have that listed here, but spell it out, first name, last name, you figure that out. And one of our business sites, globalresortsbusinessnetwork.com, if you want to see what we're working on. That's what this video here, and this series of videos, my goal is actually, it's a BHAG, bold, hairy, audacious goal, is to do 1,000 affiliate videos. And the promotion in question here is Global Resorts. It's a home business we're in, that we build. And so one of my revenue-generating activities is to create 1,000 affiliate videos for Global Resorts here, or for something else, and tag them and distribute them with Traffic Geyser, and just see how much traffic we can get by using this process. So it's pretty cool. Come along for the ride. This is video number 2 on day number 2. I'm supposed to be doing 10 a day, which I didn't do yesterday. Lord willing, do 10 today. But I hope this helps. It's a good little video for you. And I'm talking too long now, so I'm going to let you go. Take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.